Hello students, in this module we are going to learn about non-conventional sources of energy, biogas. So what is a biogas? It's a mixture of gases produced by breaking down of organic matter in the absence of oxygen, primarily consisting of methane and carbon dioxide. So there is absence of oxygen when the reaction goes on, and this biogas is a mixture of gases. It mostly contains methane and carbon dioxide. It is very useful and a very good source of non-conventional sources of power, because they are produced by using the waste which the human as well as the animal waste. Now biogas can be produced from raw materials such as agricultural waste, manure, municipal waste, plant waste materials, sewage, green waste or food waste. So all the garbage that we throw from our houses, in spite of that we can use it to produce biogas. So biogas is produced at the raw materials are actually available in the nature. So biogas is also known as gobar gas in India, because this is also produced by using cow dung, and it is very popular in several villages of India, and it provides a lot of source of energy which is used in the households of especially rural India. Now the biogas plants receive all kind of organic waste, typically livestock manure, that is animal waste, organic industrial waste. So we have to remember this require only organic waste. The manure and waste are mixed in a plant's receiving tank before being heated to 38 to 52 degrees Celsius or 100 to 125.6 degree Fahrenheit, and then pumped into a digester in which the biogas is produced. So first the waste is mixed at a particular temperature, and then it is shifted to a digester where the gas is produced, and this gas is eco-friendly, renewable source of energy, clean source of energy. See the plant here, different types of waste are put in different compartments, and then it is sent to the digester where the gas is produced and supplied to the household and power grids. So like this biogas is converted into electricity as well as it is used for other purposes. See, this is a typical picture of there are different types or sizes of biogas plants depending on the requirement and the population it has to support. Now in India, status biogas production in India is equivalent to 5% of total LPG consumption. Biogas is one of the very viable alternatives to the burning energy question. This means that biogas, if developed properly, can be very effective and can support a lot of energy requirements in India. In 2014-15, about 20,700 lakh cubic meters of biogas is produced in the country, which is equivalent to 5% of the total LPG consumption in the country. So this is the data about the biogas consumption in India and production. Advantages. So just like any other non-conventional source, it is eco-friendly. It reduces soil and water pollution. How? See, when we throw waste, definitely it spoils the soil all around. The land becomes polluted as well as water, because we throw waste in water also. But instead of that, if we produce biogas from that waste, land and soil, water and soil will be less polluted. Biogas generation produces organic fertilizers. So these organic fertilizers can be used in the agricultural field. It's a simple and low cost technology and healthy cooking alternative for developing areas. Apart from this, the disadvantages are, an unfortunate disadvantage of biogas today is that the system used in the production of biogas is not efficient. After refinement also and compression, biogas still contain impurities. It is difficult to store it in cylinders and less suitable for dense metropolitan areas, because a lot of waste will be required, so huge area will be required to build up these plants. So it is not very suitable for dense metropolitan areas. So that's all students, we have completed with the topic minerals and power resources in India. in which we learnt about metallic, non-metallic minerals, conventional